In today's kitchen secrets, we will be cooking linguine seafood or linguine frutti di mare, a very basic Italian dish packed with tons of flavors. We will be using shrimps, calamari, and fresh crab meat. And the best part is, there is a very special guest who will be tasting it. Stay until the end. Hi, I'm Prasanna, a chef by profession, worked with some great chefs for past 16 years and learning the craft. Here in YouTube, I'm trying to share my experience, recipes and knowledge with you. In this channel, you can expect how a proper restaurant dish can be cooked at your convenience at home. Please join me as I'm excited to share my story with my family to you. Please support and join the journey.
What is that? Yum yum yum. Yum yum. Say yum yum. Say hi. Hello. Yum yum. Don't like to eat, you want to play with that linguine? That's what you wanted? Huh, Papas? Oh.
Please try it, like, share and comment our videos, and for regular updates, please click the bell icon and join the journey by supporting us. Thank you for watching Kitchen Secrets with me Prasanna. See you until next time and enjoy cooking the kitchen secrets.